Video of me doing push-ups.
That, and I want you to tell Kenny this is a one-time thing. I only did one video of me doing this just to show him because I'm putting this on YouTube and he's my only subscriber. That I finally did it. I'm finally able to do the Zippo. God, this Zippo looks small on this thing. God damn.
Right?
Are you ready?
How are you doing it?
Ow! Fuck, okay. I fucked myself up. Alright. I did it. This is a ghetto one.
I can't wait.
But I've gotten it down, bro. I've gotten it down.
I'm really fucking strong, man.
You're never gonna be strong as me, though, bro.
If I work out enough, I probably will be.
Did it. Alright. To my only fucking subscriber. Alright, Kenny. I love you. Whoop whoop. Much motherfucking clown love.
Whoop whoop.